Oh, it's so pretty. You want to see? Okay. Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I talk about fashion, style, beauty, handbags, and just anything that makes us feel beautiful. If that's the type of content you're interested in, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Today, I am doing a very exciting handbag unboxing of a Coach item that I recently picked up. So if you want to find out what I bought and see my initial reaction, then keep watching. So this particular handbag was not on my radar at all. And I have to say that I was heavily influenced by a content creator who I follow and who I love. I'll leave her channel in the description box below. But I saw her review of this handbag and she was just so enthusiastic about it that I was like, I need to find out more information on this bag. Am I missing out on something? So I looked on the Coach website and saw pictures of it and kind of read about the history of it and just decided to go for it and buy it. Even though it's more than I would usually spend for a Coach handbag, I just thought I would buy it online and see if I loved it. It wasn't readily available in the stores. I couldn't walk into a Coach store or a Nordstrom store and look at it and touch it and try it on. So I was just like, I'll just take a risk. I'm gonna buy it and see if I like it. So we are going to open it together and hopefully it lives up to my expectations and the hype. Okay, so I picked this up at Nordstrom and it came pretty quickly. I want to say it came in 2 to 3 days. And I'm not usually so impulsive when I buy handbags. I put it on my wish list, I think about it, I look at reviews before I finally purchase this. But this didn't take me any time to decide to buy it. Okay. So we have some packing material right off the bat, stuck to the box. That's what it looks like inside. So it's packaged very well. Oh, it's so pretty. You want to see? Okay. So what I bought is the Coach Tabby quilted bag in the size 33. Oh my gosh. So they really packaged it very well so that it wouldn't get damaged in transport. So I really appreciate that. It looks brand new. It's not like one of those items that has been returned, hopefully. So I will take off all the packaging and the wrapping and come back and show you in full detail. Okay, so I've had a little bit of a chance to look at her and I'm in love. She is beautiful. The leather is so soft. I have to say that I'm a little bit afraid of scratching the leather, so I've been being really careful with handling her right now. But I looked it over and there are no flaws in it. It's absolutely perfect and new. So I picked this up at Nordstrom. I don't know if I said that already, but I was comfortable with picking it up at Nordstrom sight unseen, because like I said, I didn't have an opportunity to see it in person before I bought it, because Nordstrom has a really good return policy. There's plenty of Nordstroms in my area, so I was comfortable buying it without actually seeing it in person first. But there are no visible flaws that I can see. I am loving this like dark hardware on it. It's like a dark gunmetal, or just like a, I don't know, a dark gray emblem on it, the Coach logo. And then the straps are braided leather in between the dark hardware. It really reminds me of my Chanel Jumbo Flap. So I'll have to take that out and just do a little comparison. But this is so nice. It's like, Chanel what? Chanel who? I'm loving it. So just a really quick show and tell, because I think I'm going to do a more in-depth review when I actually have an opportunity to like wear it and look at it in more detail. But it has like this snap front closure. You open it up and it has this front pocket right here, and then a couple of compartments inside, and then a back pocket right here, and it has a little snap on the back pocket. Then it also has a flap pocket on the back, and this is just like hitting all of my like old lady spots with all of the like compartments in the purse. I love her. She's so beautiful. I can't wait to use her. I know that I am going to keep a purse, and that I love a purse when I can't wait to use it. Like, she is not going to sit inside of a box somewhere on my dresser. She is going to be put to use immediately. So here she is. Like I said, this was not a planned purchase. This was nowhere on my radar, but I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. You know, you only live once, right? So buy the bag. So like I said, I'll be doing a full in-depth review of the handbag pretty soon. So please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on it. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.